Hello everyone, this is Kasim from PHPTRAVELS, and in this video we will be configuring Stripe, a payment gateway to PHPTRAVELS for your website. So in case if you are looking to connect Stripe to receive payments from your clients, use this video as a tutorial. So first of all, log into your admin panel from settings, click on the payment gateways, and you can navigate to the Stripe. Make sure the status is live so that we can test it. So you will get this page, and now we have to add the Stripe credentials. Log into your Stripe account and make sure to enable the test mode, and then you will get your API keys from here from developers. Otherwise you can get from developers as well. Let's reveal the secret key and the publishable key. Copy the publishable key and then navigate to admin panel, paste in the credential 1 and then go back again, unreveal, copy, and from credentials to save, and make sure it's on development. We will do the production as well, but after the testing. And make sure the currency is acceptable on the Stripe. Otherwise, you can add your own currency as well here. But first, check your account the accepted currencies. Click on submit, and again make sure the credential has been saved. So now we can see the credential has been saved, and then from the booking page, make any test booking, refresh the page, select Stripe, and proceed to booking. From booking page, you can click on the Pay Now button and then add your credentials. For example, what we have to know is this is the test credentials from the Stripe. Add any month, any date, maybe 12, 25, 1, 2, 3, full name maybe Kasim. And let's click on the pay. And now you can see the payment is being done and the payment is done. Now it will redirect us back to the invoice, and you can see the invoice status is now paid and confirmed. The booking has been confirmed. So right now we can see the integration of the Stripe is working perfectly fine, and you can do same with the production. Just from the API test, move it back to the production, and from the payment gateways, add your production keys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need more videos like this, please comment, and if you have any problem, you can contact us anytime. Thank you for watching the video.